Okay guys, welcome back to my videos. With this video guys, I will show you how you can get more traffic, more real traffic to your affiliate link to get leads, sales and more customers to your business. Very important to get traffic and this is no matter what you promoting. You can promote your ClickBank affiliate link or Max Bounty affiliate link or any landing page. This is no matter. Very important to get real traffic to your affiliate link. So with this video, I decide to share with you some of a traffic website that I found, a new traffic website that I found it, and I decide to share with you some of them. Basically, I found two traffic source that I am using, and I decide to share with you. And of course, I will show you one of the best traffic source that I am using a long time, so you can use it too and promote your affiliate link. Okay, so first I will start with NetRotate. This website will give you unlimited traffic to your affiliate link. If you have a new website and you want to improve your site Alexa rank, this is the right place to do this. And of course, you can advertise your affiliate link using this website. You can promote your ClickBank or Max Bounty or any affiliate link using this website, and you will get unlimited traffic to your website. Okay, traffic source number two. I think you already know about this website. This website will give you unlimited traffic. You can see daily ad served, more, let's see, 459 million impression. This is a fantastic network website. Countries, you can see here a monthly conversion. This is a fantastic website to promote your affiliate link and get real traffic. You can promote using a pop under traffic. This is the best traffic that you can get from this website. Pop under, you can get very target and country and target niche. Using this website, you can get desktop traffic and you can get mobile traffic. This is very easy to use this website. I will make a guide how to use this traffic source to promote your affiliate link in the next videos. So you can know exactly how to promote your affiliate link using this website. Okay, and the traffic source number three that I found 2 months from now. You can see this website, global advertising solution designed with you in mind. This website, of course, you can be advertise, and you can advertise your link, and you will get a very target traffic. You can get target niche and target category and country traffic. So this website is fantastic to promote your CPA offers, and you will get fantastic traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, so this is very important to get traffic. Now you can see this is a new website, and this is a new website. Also, this website is fantastic to get traffic. I will put all the links below this video, so you can join you can join for free, and then you can make your campaign and get the real Oman traffic to your affiliate link. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please type your comment below this video. I will be happy to help everyone to make money online. Thank you again. Please subscribe to my channels, and have a good day. Thank you very much.